Let's now display tasks. First, let's get the table from Bootstrap. You have here tables inside content. Let's see a table here. I think this one is, let's see, I think this one is good. Okay, let's copy from here and paste. So let's paste, let's remove this command and paste here. And what else we need? We need to get, let's use the head and the body and paste here. And we need only one tr. Let's organize this and also this and what else? We have the body, we have the first tr, and this one we don't need it, we need only one. And let's organize our code. So this one for the body and this is the tr. Let's save, refresh, and here we have our table. Let's now so what we have for the tasks, let's check our task table. Where is it? Here is it here. So the task has a title, a body, done, and a category. Okay, title, the body, done, and also we need a category. So let's change it to category. And let's see, refresh. Okay, now we need to add or to loop through our tasks using for each. We have the tasks and we have here the task. And let's remove this extra ads and we paste. Let's save, refresh, and as you can see we have our tasks. Let's check our admin controller. Here we get the tasks. Let's use paginate so we can paginate data, or we will use the data tables. Okay, let's keep it as it is. Here let's do something here. Let's display, or let's use the k and the value. We have here the k, and we can use the value which is the task, and here we increment the k by 1. Save, let's refresh. So we have 1, 2, 3, we have 18. Next, what we need to display the title, and here we need the task title. What else? We have the body, and we have the done. We have done here, and done we will test for it. Let's for now add only done. And we need another one for the category, and we can use the relationship to display the category name. Save and refresh, and we have here the category with the body, and we have the done. Let's test for the done. So let's copy this part and remove this and test if the task is done. We display span with the class badge, and we give it vg success. And here let's add done. If not, else we add the same thing, and let's change it to, for example, primary. and here pending. Save, refresh, and we have the tasks that are done and others that are pending. Okay, now what we need to do, let's display the pagination, or let's add the data tables to our project, so we can paginate the data and we can search for the data and also order data. So to add the data tables, let's move to the cdn.datatables.net and let's copy the CSS file. Let's move to the app.blade.php, and here we need to add the link, and let's add our link here, and we need another one for the JS. Copy and move down. Let's find here, or let's add the script and add the link. Let's refresh the page. Now we don't have anything because we need to initialize data tables. Let's go here and see. So here we have installation. So once installed, where is it? So they don't have it here. So here is it. We need to, I think, not here. Where is it? So they don't have, oh, so here is it's using jQuery. We can use this one. So our, let's see here, our table has the class, which is table. We can use it to add the script, or to add the data tables to our table. But before we do that, we need to open script, and inside we can add and initialize our data table. And here, as I said, class is table. Okay, let's use here class table instead of the ID. So save. Let's refresh. Nothing. Let's refresh again. I think we need jQuery also because we don't have jQuery. Let's check the console. And yes, we need jQuery. Okay, let's here search for jQuery. cdn, and where is it? I think let's copy the script and paste it here. First line and save. Let's go refresh, and now as you can see we have our data tables. We can move to the second page and to the first one. Okay, we can search also for a task. Let's search, for example, for this one, number 12. So where is it? Why it's not showing? Let's search for this one. So this one is working. Let's try again, just to make sure that it's working. So it's working. Okay, let's see the ID here, if we can. As you can see, we can order our IDs. Let's see, let's find this. I think because the title is a little bit long, that's why we did not get that task, but as you can see it's working. So now we have displayed our tasks, and also we have added data tables to our table. What we need now to do, let's add the button, the delete button, so the admin can also delete a task. If he wants to delete it, he can delete it, even though he doesn't own it, because he is super admin. Okay.